Hello ma'am, are there any must-read editorials for today's edition?
Yes, absolutely. There is one article which is very important for UPSC perspective in the Hindu newspaper today, and the article talks about India's fishery in aquaculture. It's promising course, so come have a look. So the name of the article is India's Fisheries and Aquaculture. It's promising course. Now this article talks about that India's fishery and aquaculture sector is among the country's fastest growing food producing sectors and plays a vital role in livelihood, nutrition and trade. Now it also talks about how it contributes significantly to nutrition, livelihoods, exports and blue economy also. According to FAO, State of World Fisheries Aquaculture 2024 report, India produced 92.3 million tons of captured fishes and 130.9 million tons of aquaculture output, making India the world's second largest aquaculture producer. Now, the article also highlights key initiatives like the Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana PMMSY, and which supports infrastructure, cold chain development, sustainability and technological adaptation. The FAO has been a long time partner in India's fisheries transformation, supporting science-based stock assessment, safety at sea, post-harvest management and environmental compliance. Now, FAO supported by projects such as the Bay of Bengal program BOBP and ecosystem approach of fisheries management EAFM, combating IUU fishing and Andhra Pradesh climate resilient aquaculture initiatives have further strengthened India's fisheries governance. The article concludes that India's fisheries are on a promising path with a strong focus on sustainability, traceability, climate resilience and global competitiveness as well. And lastly, there is as I've already mentioned, the article focuses on sustainability. So this paragraph is on that. Now let us understand the UPSC relevance of this article. It is very important for GS paper 3, which is economy, environment and food security. Now this article talks about growth of India's blue economy, role of fisheries in nutrition, employment and exports, government schemes like PMMSY, Blue Revolution, international support from FAO, concepts like ecosystem approach to fisheries management EAFM, EU fishing and India's response, climate resilience, aquaculture and sustainable practices, coastal community development and marine governance. So again, it becomes very important for this. And for prelims, there are certain key words that you need to know, which are FAO. Please read about this. Then PM Matsya Sampada Yojana, then BOBLME project, then IUU fishing, and lastly the blue transformation also you need to understand. And if you want a deeper analysis of this article, then please watch our DNA video. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching.